Good afternoon. It is April 21st, 2026, and it's a Tuesday. We are in the 5 p.m. hour. Market is closed, and settlement is 100 and three quarters. What? So, if you took things day by day, moment by moment, and kept buying here, you're in profit, and then you should be sitting at a break even. We were looking at Q4 2025 as a possible place that we could buy from. Wasn't confirmed. We didn't really call the bottom. However, we should have called the bottom on April 1st after this rejection of the April open. And then Trump here said something along the lines of this war is over and we have some. This was the ceasefire call, essentially. They were threatening to, he was at least threatening to blow up everything. And this is when the manual intervention hopped in. That's why I made it very difficult to call because, everything macro just didn't make any sense. So if you bought Q4 2025 low, you should be at break even and closing your eyes right now and seeing what could happen. Now, that brings us to today. The Strait is closed again. The Strait is closed again. So we are essentially in the same position that we were down here. You can see this inversion fair value gap here. There's fair value gap here. Inverts it, creates another one. That's a balanced price range. That would have been the bottom if we were looking at that inversion fair value gap. But yeah, we're back in no man's land. This is. Do we want to say it? Let's say it. Since the macros don't make sense, we're doing it. We called somewhere around here at the top. This is the top. Are we wrong? We'll see. Bears, this is your trade. Bulls, below Q4 2025 low, break even or take partials, whichever you want to do. You got to take this day by day, moment by moment now. You really have to do it now because things can flip just like that. Yes, you should still, in terms of SPY, you should keep buying this even if they go back down here, and here. You should always keep dollar cost averaging. Just saying. We are in an everything bubble. Just saying. We have to call this a top. This is added daily volume. Obviously, it's not going to be added weekly volume. Last week was added weekly volume, so this candle was added weekly volume. Bears, this is for you. This is it. If there was ever a top, this would be it. So, the bull scenario here, though, even though we're calling a top, let's look at the bull scenario here. 50% of this range here, of this run here in April, is contract open. So the bull scenarios that we would have to hold contract open, the other buying scenario here would be 6977 and three quarters. That would be the other bull scenario. A more precise bull scenario maybe would be Friday's open. Maybe. The next, I don't know if you could trust this as a potential bull scenario, but this would be also the next bull scenario in theory, because this is like somewhere below 25% retracement level. This is also a Wednesday open. So let's say Wednesday's low. No. Wednesday's open. Wednesday's open. So those are the bull scenarios here. The bear scenario is right now. And obviously an inversion of all of the bull scenarios that we're laying out. So again, bull scenario is maybe this week's low, 7004 even, or just 7,000 if you really want to be like that. Yeah, 7,000. Say bull scenario is a 7,000, is a hold of 7,000. Let's go with that. Next bull scenario would be contract open, like I already said. Maybe a break and retest of March open. That's also a bull scenario. We could get rid of this. This is the Easter bottom, but we're not taking that as like the real bottom, since we couldn't really trade that with any degree of accuracy unless we weren't looking at a inversion of this fair value gap. So yeah, those are the bull scenarios. Week low, this Wednesday low at 7,004, March open and contract open, and anything that is violently below contract open is the bear getting back on terms. So if we were to go on a bear run, obviously it would essentially just be the low of the year, which would be the key real bull scenario. But we just have no idea if they want to retest 5,000, and we don't know if this will turn into a nightmare situation where it's 4,000 and 3,000. So we have to take it. We have to see. We have to see how things over there turn out. So yeah, if you took this Q4 2025 low, break even. Very good trade. Crypto, 75,000. Hit up here. Went above the March high. Right now we're chopping above the March high. We still haven't tagged the February high. We're still chopping around this weekly range. Let me see. That may or may not be February open. February open has not been tagged. Yeah, February open has not been tagged. Maybe they tag February high before continuing lower thanks to everything that's going on outside of the U.S. and in the U.S. and all the everything bubbles. Again, everything bubble is oil, AI, credit. Those are 3 bubbles right now. Maybe it'll pop, maybe not, but just dollar cost average. That's the number one advice. Just dollar cost average, and if you are going to trade / gamble, at least do it on SPY options at minimum. You have a blessed day.